Murrelektronik have a widely diversified product range and can supply organizations with well thought out solutions that are made to fit industrial automation applications, all from a single source. We are with Mr. TA Chetan, MD Murrelektronics. Good morning, sir. I'd like to begin with a set of questions. And the very first question I have for you is, what do you think sets your company apart from your competitors?
Thank you for this interview. Yes, first of all, I think we've been showcasing our products in Automation Expo for over 5 years now, and as you said, we are on the path of digitization. So, our uniqueness in terms of automation is our IP67 solution. So if you take a look at the pyramid, we are not in the controller space, nor are we in the sensors or actuator space. So we are in the connectivity space, and even there, what we showcase or what we are very good at is in the IP67 arena, and that is where that is what sets us apart from the other automation companies.
That's great. Are there any new technology developments that your company is working on at the moment? And are any of the products at the Automation Expo 2023?
Yes, if you can see there, that side it's Vario X. It is something unique to the whole concept of automation, and there we are trying to showcase a combination of a device that actually connects the drives, the PLCs, and the field IOs into a single device. And it's still in the conceptual stage, but we have a working sample that we are showcasing, and a lot of customers are showing interest in that, and probably we are looking at launching that commercially from Q2 of next year.
Wow. What, in your opinion, are the biggest challenges organizations face today? And how can this be overcome with your product offerings?
Let's say about okay, over the past 2 years, post COVID especially, there has been a surge of demand, and most of the organizations have actually stocked their inventories due to the surge in demand. And what is eventually happening right now is that the expected growth from the market is actually not coming in our company. What we have done is basically to ensure that the inventory doesn't actually hit our bottom line. We have put in a just in time sort of delivery options with some of our plants, where we are able to produce materials within 48 hours and ship it within 72 hours to India, and therefore we do not face the challenge of the lead times, the long lead times, and the delivery issues that many of the other organizations face.
So, you are exhibiting at Automation Expo 2023. What are you looking forward to?
Look, I mean, this is one of the premier exhibitions in India, showcasing and bringing together all the global and the local automation companies. And I think over the past few years, this expo has become a benchmark in terms of the quality and the kind of exhibitors that come in. And I expect them to continue to do the good work and help us showcase our brands, and also help the new entrants who, I mean, India is a big market now, and there are a lot of new entrants who are wanting to come to India, and I hope Automation Expo is the sort of right platform for all the new companies wanting to come to the Indian market and showcasing themselves.
Great. Uh, what do you think are the latest trending developments in the automation domain?
Again, see, IIoT Industry 4.0 has been in the discussions for last 4 or 5 years, but right now I think it is more the cabinet level, cabinet less installations, and taking products from the cabinet to the field is something which we had showcased years before, and now I think collectively everyone now realize that I think the instruments have got to be more near the machines rather than in the cabinet, and I think that is where we are moving towards the digitization of the machines, and AI now coming into picture. I think it becomes very important that we have a controlless control cabinet, less machines for the future.
How would you like to tell organizations whom you cater to about all the products that you have? So how does it really benefit them? So what would be your message to the organizations you serve?
If you see again in the automation arena for last couple of years, the harbinger of the growth and the new innovative products is primarily in the intralogistics domain, and they have been introducing a lot of new technologies, and they are pushing us to the limits in order to innovate ourselves and keep abreast on the new technologies. So I'm pretty sure, I think, if the Indian industry is now second to none in terms of using a quality automation products, and I'm pretty sure, I think, the earlier. The earlier this one of India being a low cost manufacturer or a low cost country, I don't think it's relevant anymore, because now the quality supersedes the cost. So in that sense, I think most of the companies here and most of our customers now are not restricting themselves only to the Indian market, but are competing globally. So in that sense, I think the customers here are well equipped with the knowledge and with the processes, and I'm pretty sure, I think, they would be taking on the world shortly.
So when it comes to more electronics, how does automation help your own organization?
Of course, I mean, basically, we have 5 plants world over. Each one of them are completely or automized, and a central warehouse in Germany is a complete state of the art ASRS systems. So we believe that, whatever we try to sell, we first implement, test it, and then sell it to the world. So we are our own end customers first. So in that sense, I think we do believe that, and 4% of our profits go back into the R&D. So there are new products that keep coming in every year. So in that sense, we are much ahead in terms of the industries and the market, in terms of trying to pioneer a lot of automation products and bring them into the market.
So that was Mr. Chetan, MD, Murrelektronics. We wish you all the best at Automation Expo 2023.